How to add Google Voice to Google Calendar or Gmail. First of all, open the Google Calendar or Gmail and make sure you are signed in with the Google account linked to your Google Voice number. In the Gmail app, you can't directly send text from Google Voice, but you can open the Google Voice app alongside Gmail to easily switch between emails and messages. For Google Calendar, create or open an account, then add your Google Voice number in the location or description field so invitees can reach you through that number during meetings. You can also include Google Voice call links or notes for quick access during calls. This way, you keep your communication seamless and accessible without switching devices. It helps you stay productive and responsive, especially when juggling multiple tasks. Now you know how to add Google Voice to Google Calendar or Gmail. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.